All right, welcome back to session number 4 of content marketing and inbound marketing training here with me, CM Manjunath. In this section, we are going to understand the SEO and social media perspective of content marketing. Now, if you think about it, without content marketing, there is no SEO or social media. Without content, what would you optimize in the first place? Right? Right. So let's look at the SEO perspective first of all. Your search engine optimization or SEO is about targeting the right keywords. So content marketing should be powered by SEO in the sense you must be targeting the right keywords as a part of your content marketing efforts. You should use those keywords strategically within your content. That's what we're going to talk about in this section. Stay tuned. Your content marketing efforts should be powered by SEO. It's about using the right keywords and giving an excellent user experience. That's what good SEO is about, and that's what good content is about. So it's about ensuring that your content is useful and engaging for your potential customers. Also, the keywords needs to be strategically used or placed in the title and meta description. These are the two places where both the users as well as the search engine and social media crawlers read to understand what that content is about. So make sure you use appropriate title and meta description with the right keyword. You optimize them with the keywords. Next, we'll look at the user's experience perspective. Like I already mentioned, make sure the content is super useful for your users and it is engaging. Then comes the URL. Your URL needs to be descriptive yet succinct. Short and descriptive URL is what I'm talking about. So the content is not just for your website. If you choose to do guest posting on somebody else's blog, somebody else's website, it's important that you create good content for that as well, for guest blogs and so on and so forth, because that can help you get links as a part of the link building process, and therefore that can boost your SEO really, really well. So those are some of the pointers that you need to keep in mind while doing SEO. SEO with content can be super powerful. Okay, so now let's look at content with social media perspective. Social media, as you already may know, is very powerful as well. So content must be shared on social media channels, and social media channels require good content for engagement and sharing purposes. So good content must be shared on social media. Next, on social media, you need to put a snippet of text or snippet of whatever your content is. Now that needs to be attention grabbing if you really want the potential users of the social media to take notice of what you have created, the content that you have created. For that, the snippet that you create should be attention grabbing. So keep that in mind while posting on social media. So that's one, and apart from that, you can create, publish, and engage with the power of content on social media groups. Groups can be a great way to really amplify your content, promote your content so that it reaches very targeted set of customers for your business. So that's about social media from the snippets perspective, as well as sharing and engaging with the groups. And apart from that, generally, I would encourage you to create content that is highly engaging, ask questions, quizzes, and that kind of content really works. So that's what you need to do with social media. Okay, so again, you would have understood that SEO, social media, and content all coexist. Without content, there can be no SEO, no social media. Okay, so the content is obviously at the heart of everything. Okay, here's a quick summary of what we've learned so far. Content is right at the heart of SEO and social media. I mean, you can't do SEO or social media promotions without content. And that's what we spoke about in this session. In this next session that's upcoming, you're going to learn all about targeting the right audience, because right audience makes all the difference to your content marketing success. Stay tuned.